Today we are gathered here to protest against dictator Dr. Mohamed Yunus. He is established like a dictatorship in our country, Bangladesh. So we are here joined and gathered. In my country, Bangladeshi people are, especially minority people, are persecuted, and journalists, artists, and freedom fighters, and like people cannot express their opinions now. So we are gathered and protesting. Yeah.